Hey everyone, it's Siddharth here. I'm coming to you with a brand new video. This video is about how I made $5,319.60 online within 6 months. Now, let me start with the backdrop here in terms of the story. When I started going online and looking at ways to make money, I really struggled to find a specific platform that could actually help me build some kind of traction and actually start getting me the results online that I was looking for such a long time. And by chance, I actually happened to be with someone who actually was doing quite well online, and that person actually referred me to a platform that actually helped started making me this amount of money within 6 months. And since then, this is a platform through which I've been able to learn quite a bit about some of my strategies online and how I've been successfully been able to generate some form of income online on a consistent basis. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to actually show you the platform that I was using and have been using and sort of give you some kind of insight into the platform itself. And I'm going to start by actually sharing a screen so that you can actually see for yourself exactly what this platform is. Just if I could just go to that specific area. So the platform that I was using is a company called the Super Affiliate Network. Now, I'm being completely transparent here, where I'm actually in the dashboard and backend of my specific account. And as you can see, this is the actual amount that I've made in total with the Super Affiliate Network. It's exactly the same amount that I'm speaking about. So let me just kind of explain to you exactly how the process works here. Basically, when you start with the Super Affiliate Network, you are given access to what is called a Profit Bootcamp. Now, this Profit Bootcamp essentially is structured in a way where you can actually do it over a 30-day period. So if you follow through each of these phases as shown here, there's three phases. You would be able to then set up a sort of platform that allows you to have a business that is 90% done for you. Now, what I mean by that is that you actually have all the different aspects of an online business, starting from the point of where you set up what would be considered your sort of your capture page. So your capture page essentially is when you advertise your specific link for the Super Affiliate Network, then it'll obviously ask someone for their details so that they can learn more about the Super Affiliate Network. And then from there, on the back end, it'll obviously have all the different products or information that can be resold, as an affiliate yourself, so you can actually start making money. So I've sort of given you a very brief synopsis of it because the idea is I wanted to actually show you, the proof of pudding in terms of what I've been able to make with this kind of company. And what's great is that, the founder, Misha Wilson, has structured it in such a way that if you're someone that is just starting out online and looking at a way to build maybe additional income, or you want to build some form of passive income over time, then obviously you can have a structured process like the Profit Bootcamp where you can start off, even if you're a complete beginner, and actually gives you the foundation in terms of how you can start building up that online business. Now, if you are someone that is looking to start out, you can actually obviously, go into the platform itself at a trial basis where you can basically try out going through the training for 30 days. And if you're not completely happy, then Misha will actually refund what you have actually spent. The initial trial is $7, and then thereafter, if you're on the monthly platform, then you pay $37 a month. But I want to also clarify in terms of how exactly I made this amount of money in such a short space of time, because I think that's quite critical. And obviously, I want to put a disclaimer here that whatever I've made here is obviously based on my efforts and the learnings and teachings that I've applied, that I've learned from the Super Affiliate Network. So there's a process whereby you can actually start earning $1,000 commissions. You need to be on that level, obviously, within the Super Affiliate Network. So once you do join the Super Affiliate Network, you will get to a stage where you'll be asked to or invited to basically join what is called a pro level. And the pro level essentially allows you to earn high ticket commissions, which is essentially $1,000 commission. And the explanation is actually provided in the process. So I'm not going to go into it in this particular video, but basically what had happened with me was that because I had positioned myself in that specific aspect of being a pro, then obviously I was able to start earning $1,000 commission. So basically from that, I had a couple of people that under me, joined on that level, and I was able to earn that $1,000 commission. Now, what's great is that, again, if you're just starting out and you're someone that is looking to obviously build an online business, and you will get a coach assigned for you for the first week so that you can just get a bit of assistance where you can obviously start learning a little bit about how you can apply some of the principles that are being taught in the Super Affiliate Network and through the Profit Bootcamp. What I love about this is there's a lot of collateral that actually helps you, when you're just starting out. So I just want to basically go into one of the areas. So like, let's say if I was just starting out going from phase one, and then I go into the first module, basically what you can see is for each level, and you can see there's a difficulty level. This basically just is your starting point where it shows you a specific teaching. So for example, the first module is laying the foundation, actually working on finding your why. Now you might think, why is that so essential to an online business? Well, I've often said that if you don't have a strong why, it's very hard for you to be motivated to actually build something like an online business. And that's why it's a critical aspect. Here you can see a couple of case studies, just from actual people that have made money from the Super Affiliate Network, and obviously have used that specific aspect of obviously that specific model. So there's a lot of structured processes here that are very nice to follow. It ensures that you, as a person that is starting out, maybe with the Super Affiliate Network or whatever other online platform it is, that you can actually start building a business through a structured process. And then what I also like is that, if you're someone that is just starting out, you can obviously look at ways to just want to show you a specific area. So like, let's say you're someone that needs to learn how to build, traffic. So what I mean by that is you basically get people or eyeballs on your offer so that people can start seeing what your offer is about and they want to buy from you. Then obviously you can get, training on that. I actually want to go to that. So Super Affiliate Network basically has what's called the Traffic Bootcamp. And what this bootcamp actually does is, so this is separate to the Profit Bootcamp. This basically gives you training on different areas of marketing. So, for example, if you're someone that is very particular about using Facebook ads, you obviously can go through the training here. If you're someone that loves doing YouTube videos like myself and you want to do an ad through YouTube, you can obviously do a YouTube ad training through here. If you're someone that is a little more advanced and kind of wants to learn about using pay-per-view platforms, so this is obviously where you run your ads through certain platforms that charge you per impression or per view, you can obviously go to that. And then basically solo ads. So now solo ads was the predominant way of how I actually was marketing the Super Affiliate Network. So if you don't know what a solo ad is, very quickly, it's basically where you are someone who has an email list to actually send the Super Affiliate Network offer or your offer to their specific list, and then they obviously will charge you a certain amount per email or per click. There is a full training on this. There's also a product on solo ads, and that is something I'll speak about in another video. But Misha Wilson, who's a founder, really believes strongly in solo ads, and I think it's a great way if you're just starting out to sort of build an email list. And the importance of an email list is that you obviously connect with people over email, and over time it's not just the Super Affiliate Network, but you might be offering something else that you want to obviously promote to them. So this is just basically obviously a quick sort of insight into the Super Affiliate Network. Very quickly, just showing you, obviously, as I've said, the different phases. There are different product options, which, as you go through the Profit Bootcamp, you can get some more information. So um, again, quickly just telling you how I made this money. Obviously very important that if you're in the online space that you're learning, obviously to have a structured process. If you don't have a structured process, I think the Super Affiliate Network is a great way for you to start. And as I said, you can actually go through a training bootcamp for 30 days on trial, $7 to just start. You really have nothing to lose. So I really suggest that you do actually do that. And if you do want to start with the Super Affiliate Network immediately, then you can basically just go through my link provided in the description below, or even here on the screen as I'm showing you, and you can start immediately with the trial process in terms of the Profit Bootcamp. If you have any other details that you want to find out, you want to get on a conversation with me, you can connect with me through any of my social media platforms that are provided below in the description. And also, if you just want to kind of connect maybe on email as well, you can send me an email so I can give you a bit more insight. But I really think it's a great way to start. As I said, it was the first time that I actually started making money online, thankfully to the Super Affiliate Network. And Misha Wilson, who's the founder, also I met in person. I was very fortunate that I could actually go to Maui in Hawaii and go to an event that the Super Affiliate Network hosted where I met Misha. We went through some training. And to this day, also, a lot of principles that he talks about are principles that I believe in and principles that I actually would apply in any online business. So I really hope this has given you some insight if you're just someone starting out. So please do go through the link, register for the trial. As I said, you've got nothing to lose. If you're not happy after 30 days, you can ask for a refund on the $7. But I honestly believe that once you go through the boot camp, you will get real value from it, and you will definitely probably stay in the Super Affiliate Network. Thank you for watching. If you're watching my videos for the first time, please click on the subscribe button, or you can also click on the bell icon if you're a subscriber, just to receive notifications of whenever I do a new video. Take care, and I'll see you soon.